Hello everyone. As we are studying about the spectroscopy, that is the study of emission or absorption spectra, is referred to as spectroscopy. So for spectroscopy, we have to know what is absorption spectra and what is emission spectra. So let us go through the first topic, that is about the absorption spectra. What is absorption spectra? So the definition is a radiation is passed through an unexcited sample which absorbs radiation of certain wavelength which contributes to the missing wavelength which leaves dark spaces in the bright continuous spectrum. It means it is a radiation which passed through an unexcited sample. It means the sample is unexcited, no energy has been provided to that sample in any form, and that unexcited sample have the quality of absorbing some amount of radiation having a certain wavelength and which contributes to the missing wavelength with leave dark lines, or you can say dark spaces, in the continuous spectrum. Yesterday we have studied about the continuous spectrum. So in that continuous spectrum there will be the missing wavelength. So for clear understanding, let us go through the next image. So here, if you will see, there is the whole setup has been done, a prism, because we all know if a light passes through a medium, it will gets deviated or refracted. So here a white light has been passed, plus there is an unexcited sample has been required. The sample can be of any type, like it can be a molecule, it can be an atom, it can be an ions. So here the sample which has been, the unexcited sample which has been taken is of hydrogen. A slit to pass the light in which with a hole has been made so that a ray of light can be passed into the prism. So and a detector has been taken on which you can clearly see the band, or you can clearly see the spectrum. So as soon as the ray has been passed through a sample which is unexcited, so when you will see the wavelengths or the spectrum, you will here clearly see in the downside image which has been shown what has been just mentioned on the detector. Here you will see that there is a continuous spectrum, but you will see clearly here that there is a black line which is considered as the missing wavelength. It means certain amount of wavelength has been absorbed by the unexcited sample, and that is why there is a discontinuity has been there, and you can clearly see the missing wavelength because which has been absorbed by the unexcited sample. And such type of spectra has been considered as absorption spectra because of certain wavelength it has been absorbed. So this is about the absorption spectrum. Now let us move towards the emission. And if you will go with that, these dark spaces or lines are at the same place where color lines are obtained in the emission spectra. When we will go with the emission spectra, these 2 points will be very clear because absorption spectra is considered as a photographic negative of an emission spectrum. Why it has been considered as the photographic negative of an emission spectrum, we can understand it by going and just going through the emission spectra. So let us study about the emission spectra tomorrow.